Hi, my name is BJ Klaska. I'm the product manager for the Springdale brand here at Keystone RV. I'm here today to give you a first look of our brand new 2022 model Springdale travel trailers. The biggest changes for the model year 2022 are going to have to do with a totally redesigned inside featuring our new Onyx Storm decor, and also the fact that every Springdale travel trailer is going to come standard with a complete SolarFlex 200 solar system. Now, in 2022, our motto is the surprisingly clever camper. We're standing outside of a Springdale 280BH, a popular model, a proven floor plan with tons of options and standards. But let's go on inside and I'm going to show you what makes Springdale the surprisingly clever camper. Okay, we're standing here in the Springdale 280BH. Do you notice anything different? Well, of course you do. This isn't the Springdale look of 10 years ago. Heck, it's not even the Springdale look of last year. We wanted to stay cutting edge and to keep delivering the most up-to-date interior for you, our customers. And here we are, the brand new Onyx Storm. Okay, this interior features matte black cabinets, brushed gold hardware, a light bright wallboard to make sure that it does stay light and bright on the inside of your camper, and a really rustic, modern linoleum throughout the entire camper. We're really proud of the look that we achieved, and we hope you are too. As we're in here, we talked about what makes Springdale the surprisingly clever camper. I'm gonna go through a few features that we really think will help enhance your experience camping in a Springdale travel trailer. The first thing you'll notice, or one of the things that you'll notice, are these black storage nets throughout. We've strategically placed these black storage nets close to all of our USB ports, so when you are utilizing the USB port, you've got a place to put your phone or your tablet, or maybe even a book as you're laying down here or your kids are laying down here to go to bed for the night. What makes this pantry really unique is the fact that it's got removable shelves, so it can double as both a kitchen pantry or an extra closet, but it can also double as a washer-dryer prep. If you have a stackable washer and dryer, it's already prepped here. You can remove those shelves and utilize this for your laundry room. Staying kind of along the storage lines, because what we really wanted to do here in 2022 is to make sure that every area and every space of our camper is fully functional and that we're maximizing the functionality of every space. Here's our jackknife sofa that obviously flips down and makes into a really sizable bed. But also you've got storage underneath this jackknife sofa, and we've created this flip down kick plate to be able to access that storage really smoothly and easily. The other part of the slide room that Springdale's always been known for is our Do More Dinette table, right? Our Do More Dinette table is a table that is fully functional and multifunctional and allows you to do a lot of different things with it. As it sits here, it's your kitchen table, right? I'm going to show you some of the other uses that it has. You can pull it out, and as you pull it out, you can bring it over in front of the jackknife sofa, and now you've got a nice workspace for your computer or a place to play cards. If you want to utilize it in a totally different way, you put your foot here, and you put it down, and we've now turned it in to a nice coffee table or a footrest. We can move it back into the booth dinette area, and you can put it down to where it creates a nice large sleeping area to accommodate either one adult or probably two kids. Let's keep talking about storage, and where's storage really important in the kitchen, right? As you'll see here, this kitchen features plenty of upper cabinet storage. Also, not just one drawer, but 4 drawers in the kitchen to accommodate all of your utensils, towels, and any other needs. And then we have a large base kitchen cabinet that is large enough for several trash cans and other amenities that you may need to store underneath your kitchen sink. So in the Springdale 280BH, it's got an unbelievable kitchen, right? Featured first with this 11 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. You'll notice it's got just a ton of capacity to fit all of your food storage needs. The other really cool thing about these 12-volt refrigerators are how quickly they cool down. From the time you turn it on to the time it gets cold, it can be in as little as 20 to 25 minutes. You compare that to some of the gas electric refrigerators out there that takes 3, maybe 4 hours to go from warm to cold. So awesome standard feature in all of our Springdale travel trailers. Over here, we've got a really clever idea we came up with by really scouring the internet, watching the forums, listening to customers with this magnetic knife holder and utensil holder. So not only a really cool idea, but super functional, right? It gets all of your knives and all of your utensils out of the drawers, so you can really use those drawers for other items. So here we are in the Springdale 280BH bedroom, right? We all know how much massive storage area there is underneath the bed. This has been there and been kind of a staple for Springdale for years. But we've kind of taken storage to another notch here in the 2022 models. We've incorporated a double master bedroom shelf idea in design. So we looked at the single shelf that we had and we said, how can we maximize the storage space for our customers? And we came out with this cool staggered double design, which basically gives you double the amount of storage above your bed. You keep the 2 side wardrobes that we've always had, right? And your little nightstand areas right next to the bed. But one of those clever features that, again, we have the customer in our mind as we're designing these is a really cool laundry chute here that goes right down into the pass-through storage. You can put a hamper down there, maybe a plastic tote, and this is a great place for you to take all your dirty clothes for the day, dump them into there, and kind of get them out of the way for you to figure out what to do with them later. One of our goals here at Springdale is to make sure that camping is easy and fun for you, the customer. One of the ways that we've been able to do that on the outside of our camper is to incorporate huge power awnings on all of our travel trailers. This one is about a 21-foot long awning, and by the push of a button comes in and out. The other thing standard on all of our travel trailers are going to be power stabilizer jacks that help to stabilize the front and the rear of the travel trailer. And then lastly, everybody hates to come to their campsite and crank down that tongue jack, right? So by the push of a button, you can get your tongue jack all the way down to the ground, nice and stable. So on the top of every Springdale travel trailer, you're going to have a 200-watt solar panel collecting energy from the sun. That energy comes down into the pass-through where we've mounted a charge controller and also an inverter prep. I like to think of this as the brains of the system that's going to help convert all the energy stored by the solar panel into usable energy into your travel trailer. Now, if you want more information on Springdale's new SolarFlex 200i system, just go to our website at keystonerv.com. Thank you for spending time with me today going over the brand new Springdale 2022 models. We'll see you guys all on the road.